Hi there, this is savewith.crypto. Okay, so yesterday I set up an account with BitMart, and if you watch my video, you'll notice I had a little chat with support down here, asking what do I have to do to qualify for the welcome bonus, because it said like a $1,000 bonus if you deposit greater than or equal to $200. And I was saying, well, you know, I can't believe you get $1,000 if you deposit $200, you know. And I got the most woolly answers in the world. In fact, the actual human that I believe I chatted with was actually worse than a lot of bots I've had a chat with. So yeah, this platform I think is pretty terrible. If you do want to use it, I will shill my link right now, and this is basically on this banner here, and it says what you're supposed to get. Now, I don't believe you're going to get that, to be honest, but let's try it anyway. So I'm just going to deposit $200 now. So to do that, I'm going to go to assets, and I'm going to go for USDT deposit. Okay, and I'm actually going to go for TRC20 because that'll be cheaper. So the USDT is actually going to come from my ByBit account, where I'm actually going to sell a little bit of Ripple. I've done okay with the sort of derivative trading with Ripple recently, so I think I've made $200. So I'm just going to sell a little bit of it. Now, what I've done to do that, I've moved a little bit of the Ripple from the derivatives account to the spot account, and here I'm just in the spot trading XRP USDT. Just spot trading. This is not derivative trading. So I think I'm just going to sell it. Right, so to do that I need to go to sell, and then so I'm selling 790 XRP. I mean, I'd normally go a little bit higher. I want to try and get a little bargain, so I'm just going to go 4211, try and sell it there. I know it's only a few cents extra, but I'm going to go for that. Click sell XRP. So if the price goes up there, that will sell. So I might just pause the video while I'm waiting for that to happen. Yeah, and typically XRP decided to have a little pump there, and that sold. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So if I look now my spot account, I should see that I have some USDT. Okay, so there you go, 337.99. I may as well move all that to this weird exchange, what's called BitMart. Yeah. So I'm going to go withdraw and go for TRC20 because that I believe is the cheapest way to do it. So I'm going to go for this one here. So copy that address. Okay, on BitMart, and then this one here I'm going to I've got to add it. So I need to add the address there. So the asset is USDT, chain type TRC20. Address is there. Okay, so I'm going to call that BitMart TRC20. Then I need 2FA. Okay, let's try it again. So go withdraw, USD tether, TRC20, BitMart. Okay, amount, may as well do it all. Let me just check that. TAYI5. So TAYI5, it ends in MJZ, ends in MJ. Okay, that's good. Right, so TRC20. Okay, that all looks good. So that sends a code to my email. That goes there in the 2FA. Okay, so hopefully that's on its way now. So it's 7:55 now, so I'll see how long that takes. Okay, so that all worked out pretty quick, really. It just took a matter of minutes before the USDT was actually showing in the BitMart account. Now, I appreciate what I just did was probably very boring to watch and stuff, but I know I've had a few friends ask me how to move stuff around, you know, say like from, I don't know, from SwissBorg to ByBit or ByBit to somewhere else or crypto.com to somewhere else. And I just think the more I kind of show you that kind of steps, the more comfortable you're going to be doing it yourself and all that. All I would say is, you know, double check the blockchain you're using. For example, then I was using the Tron blockchain to send USDT, which I've actually never done before. But that I believe is the cheapest way to send USDT. And also, I mean, like triple check the address. You know, I mean, I don't check every single letter, but as long as it starts off the same and ends the same, and just looks similar, then that's good. The only way you're going to get the wrong address is by sending to some weird address that some scam person is trying to get you to send something to. And the whole point about crypto is if you send something to the wrong address, nobody's going to give it to you back. You know, there's no bank error, it's your error. So just double check and triple check everything. Anyway, so that's in there. So what am I going to do with BitMart? Well, BitMart, I'm not suggesting anybody uses it. If you do want to use it, use my link. And I know I've had some flack for shedding my affiliate links recently, but I mean, to be honest, if you're going to use somebody's link, use mine. Because I honestly think Carl the Moon and Crypto and all them guys, they've got plenty of money. They don't need any more. So, you know, any little bit I get will help me keep motivated to make these videos that I'm sure you like. Oh, by the way, if you do like the video, give it a like right now. And do make sure you're subscribed and you got the notifications on all. But yeah, so what my plan is here, well, with BitMart, it was to deposit more than $200, so I get the bonus. So I don't think it's going to be $1,000, but we'll see what I get anyway. I was supposed to get up to a $500 welcome bonus. That turned out to be $6.13 of this BMX token, which I don't really know what it is. I think it's their native token for their exchange. But that's what I got there. So we'll see what bonus I get anyway. It should be interesting. So what am I going to do? Well, today, actually yesterday, I can deposit MEX in here. So I'm going to try and do that first of all. But looking here on the 1 day chart, this is MEX versus eGold, and it's pretty much as low as it can go. And I'm thinking today this might go up a little bit when it becomes tradable on BitMart. It might not, but I'm going to take the chance. So I've got a little bit of eGold in my Maiar app. So if I log into the DEX, you can see here that I've got 1.0490 eGold, so which is worth about $92. So I'm just going to swap that into MEX actually, and then I'm going to put that MEX into BitMart, and then hopefully I can do something today where I can make a little bit of money out of it. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I just want to see things from from someone else's perspective. So somebody using BitMart who maybe doesn't know anything about MEX, and they're thinking, oh, hello, what's this? And can I do anything with it? Anyway, so let's go to swap. Okay, so I'm going to swap. eGold. So I'm going to swap one eGold. I'm going to swap it into MEX. So I'm going to get 827,845 MEX. Okay, slippage 0.1. That's okay. Let's go swap. Okay, confirm. Okay, so all the usual signing of transactions. Yeah, of course, the idea of buying MEX or getting hold of MEX, some people might seem crazy at the moment because a lot of people say, oh, it's a useless token. I don't think it is. I think it's going to be very useful and worth a bit in the future. It's not going to be worth $1, but it's, it could be worth 10 times what it is now, easily. Okay, so that means that I've now got MEX in my Maiar app, so I should be able to go to BitMart over here, go to MEX, go to deposit. Okay, so the chain is eGold. I'll tell you what, I feel so comfortable using the Elrond blockchain because, there's no weirdness and everything starts with ERD, and I just kind of know where I am really. Okay, so to do that, I just go to the Maiar app and then I look at the wallet. I can see I've got the MEX in there. So I go send, and I'm going to send all the MEX. Continue, and then I click the thing there to scan the code. Okay, so that's in there, and I'm going to go send. Okay, it says your MEX is on the way, so done. So hopefully I'll see that in there very soon. And of course, using the Elrond blockchain, it was there in a matter of seconds. So that's it. So the MEX is in there. So I'm going to leave that there until this afternoon and then see what the price does. So it's probably worth noting that that is $82 worth of MEX, $83 say. And then the USDT, $337. What I'm going to do that, I was going to try and buy some cheap ZoidPay actually, because I believe you can do that. So if I untick that, look for ZPay, or ZPay as I say, then you can trade ZPAYUSDT. Okay, so let's just move that to like a 1 minute chart. I'm going to try and get it at that price there, 0.38666. Let's try that. So I'm going to do price 386666. Okay. I'm going to use all the USDT I've got. Okay. That's a limit buy, so that will buy at that price when that price comes down to there. Okay, so that's that order set. So where does that, okay, that appears down here. Okay, so the interface looks pretty much the same as any other exchange, so that's all good. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for the moment, and then this afternoon I'll look at the price of MEX, and I might decide to do something with that as well. And meanwhile I'll look into the bonus thing with this and see what I got. You know, as I said before, do make sure you're subscribed, but leave a nice comment anyway, and give the video a like, and above all, tell your friends.